Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my space, a place where we celebrate everything that makes you, you. Today is a gorgeous day, September 16th, 2025, and it feels like the perfect moment to connect with our inner beauty. I've always believed that true beauty isn't about covering up, it's about revealing the gorgeous person you already are. It's that little spark inside you that shines through your smile, your eyes. Here on Own Your Beauty, we're all about finding simple, joyful ways to let that light shine even brighter. It's about taking a moment for yourself, creating something wonderful with your own hands, and feeling utterly and completely confident in your own skin. On my channel, Own Your Beauty, that's our core message. So let's get ready to mix up a little bit of magic. So, what exactly are we making today? We're whipping up a gorgeous, all-natural tinted lip balm using just 2-star ingredients: coconut oil, beetroot. That's it! This recipe is my absolute favorite because it's incredibly easy, super quick. The results are just stunning. You get this beautiful, sheer wash of rosy color like you just finished eating a bowl of summer berries. It's the perfect my lips, but better look. Why go homemade when you can just buy a lip balm? For me, the answer is simple: purity, peace of mind. No hidden chemicals, no mysterious preservatives, no artificial fragrances. You are using the power of whole, natural foods to care for your body. This coconut oil and beetroot lip balm is more than just makeup. It's a nourishing treatment. Give your lips a break from synthetic compounds. Treat them to something wholesome from nature's pantry. All right, let's get everything ready. The beauty of this recipe is its sheer simplicity. Your shopping list is going to be refreshingly short. You only need a few things, and you might not even need to leave your house. First and foremost, coconut oil. Use a high-quality, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. It's the least processed and keeps all the good nutrients for your lips. You'll only need about 1 tablespoon for a small pot. Next up, a fresh beetroot for color. Just a tiny piece, about a 1-inch cube. Beets are super potent, so a little gives a beautiful hue. Pick one that's firm with a deep magenta color. Now for the tools. No fancy gear needed. A small microwave-safe bowl or a double boiler to melt the oil. A fine grater to extract the beet juice. A small strainer or a piece of cheesecloth to separate pulp from juice. A small, clean container to store the balm. Now that we have all our ingredients and tools assembled, it's time to create our beautiful lip balm. The first step is to extract that gorgeous color from our beetroot. Take your small piece of beetroot and carefully grate it using the finest side of your grater. You'll see the vibrant magenta pulp start to form. Once you have a small pile of grated beet, place it in your strainer. Place it in a piece of cheesecloth. Position it over your small bowl. Press down firmly with a spoon to squeeze out the juice. Press down with your fingers to squeeze out the juice. You only need about half a teaspoon of juice for this recipe. With your fresh beetroot juice ready in the bowl, the next step is to introduce our hero hydrator, coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of solid coconut oil directly into the bowl with the beetroot juice. Don't worry about mixing it just yet. The magic will happen when it melts. Now, you need to gently heat the mixture. Microwave option: place the bowl in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Double boiler option: place your bowl over a pot of simmering water until the oil melts. Once the coconut oil is fully melted, you'll see it floating on top of the beetroot juice. Now is the time to whisk them together. Stir with a small spoon. Mix vigorously for about 30 seconds to emulsify into a uniform pink liquid. As soon as your mixture is well combined, carefully pour the pink liquid into your clean, empty lip balm container. Now, all you have to do is let it set. And just like that, in under 5 minutes of active work, you have created your very own piece of natural beauty. Now that your beautiful lip balm has set, let's talk about why these 2 simple ingredients are so incredibly good for your lips. When you glide this balm onto your lips, you'll feel the difference immediately, delivering instant softness and a glossy sheen. Beetroot adds a hint of natural rosy color that enhances your lip tone. Feel confident and radiant in your own skin. Each time you use this little pot of goodness, remember your creativity and beauty. Thank you for joining me at Own Your Beauty. Go ahead, create shine, and as always, own your beauty.